so we couldn't get the stream started.
I don't know.
So we're just gonna vlog it out instead.
I don't know what she was saying.
Right now we're in line at Tamashii Nations SH Figure Arts. We got some decent pulls already from Bandai Namco. Right now we're just waiting in line for what?
Broly.
Keep you posted. Alright, so we waited about an hour and a half in the line for the Figure Arts Broly, and it ended up being sold out. But McLean managed to end up getting something else. Show him the Luffy. This little Figure Arts Luffy from One Piece. We're gonna continue our adventure, and I'll, fill you guys in later. So how's your first Comic-Con experience?
Pretty good. Got a ton of shit.
Let's see the bag.
Spent way too much money.
Yeah?
Shirt, hoodie, shirt, merch. Posters. It was good. Successful.
How did your hunt for Broly go?
Failure. Big failure.
Oh yeah.
At least I got a small Broly.
What's the plan for now?
Food.
That's right.
Straight food.
Fuck yeah. I'm fucking beat.
Hell yeah, man.
We're just waiting for J-Rod to get his mystery box.
Shit, it's like the 1,000-word blood art. Like, they have nothing, please.
Just what it is. I walked into the Viz tent, and there really wasn't much. I mean, I don't know. I feel like the last time that I went, there was a lot more stuff to buy, but I still got a good haul. I ended up, what is this? I ended up getting this at the Bandai Namco. Same thing as McLean.
That's good.
The Golden Shenron was pretty dope. We didn't get the Broly again, but I did manage to snag a Naruto Uzumaki, which is pretty cool. And a mystery Halo box, which is somewhere in there. We got a lot of stuff. We're just waiting on Jordan. He went to the other side. It's been pretty fun. It was a fun time though. I'm sorry that we couldn't stream it, but I hope you guys like and subscribe this video on YouTube. Let them know, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit the notifications. Thumbs up. All that.
So we just finished up. We're finally done purchasing. We got his things. Jordan got his things. We're about to go look for some food. Food mission successful. Everybody eating happily.
Yeah.
Thank goodness we're finally sitting down. Lots of walking, man. Lots of walking, but lots of fun. A lot of fun. Not as crazy as the first time I went here, but still not bad. Still a good haul. Still a lot of good stuff. Remember, like and subscribe.
How's it going there? Real life Peter Griffin here. You know what really grinds my gears? Freaking Meg.
That's it. That's it. We are actually leaving this time. We left this loser behind. All right, this was a fun experience, y'all. Tune in for the next one.